Bamenda, to make you the mother of the forms, the title of Marco. And today, you are proof of right that we did not make a mistake by making you mother of the form. Visited all the villages in the northwest and southwest regions when he was Prime Minister, head of government. And we know that at a certain time there is one person.
When you talk of Achidi Acho, we are celebrating the life of one of the greatest sons of the Widikum tribe. The Widikum tribe, as you know, covers 3 divisions of the northwest region. And the traditional rulers of this tribe awarded to him one of the highest traditional titles that they have ever given. The first was given to the Right Honorable Estimuna, and the second to Pa Achidi Acho. And this title is called Achu Oben. This is a great loss to the people of the Widikum tribe. We are celebrating his life. Somebody who was kind, friendly, and ready at all times to share with people. And may God Almighty grant the people of the Northwest, the people of Cameroon, to bear the loss.